Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair, grow your bald spot, or even grow thick hair, do well to subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about hair growth remedies. In this video, we are doing a potent hair growth spray that you can use as a moisturizer or a daily hair growth spray for your scalp and for your hair strands as well. First ingredient is cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that is able to aid in hair growth and strength. Our second ingredient and only ingredient is fennel seeds. I hope most of you know this ingredient. This ingredient is also available in our kitchens, like it's for cooking. It's also very good for hair growth. So just these two ingredients. Fennel seeds is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, and ions. Imagine all these nutrients in your hair. So once you have your seeds ready, you get a glass jar or any jar of your choice, and then you transfer the seeds into the jar. The whole point here is to extract the nutrients from the seeds into the water, because we'll be adding water. And with this method, you can either decide to boil the two seeds, that's the cloves and the fennel seeds, or you just add water and allow it to sit for as long as you want. You can leave it overnight, or you can just allow it to sit till the next day. You can just allow it to sit for about an hour or two. So make sure your water is really hot so that the effect is going to be as quick as possible. Unless you're not in a hurry, then you can just leave it when it is not very hot. So you can cover it so that the heating process will be a bit faster. And if you take a clear look, you will notice that there's going to be a color change. The herbs will gradually extract their nutrients into the water. It's the nutrients, the ions, the magnesium, the phosphorus, the vitamin C that we are looking for. So we have to find a way to extract it. After some few minutes, I'm sure you can notice this color change. You can notice it has become a bit thicker in color, deeper in color than it was when I started with the ingredients. So right from here, you can get your spray bottle ready and then transfer it and sieve it into an applicator or spray bottle. This remedy can be used on the hair every day, depending on your hair porosity. If your hair is breaking a lot, like if you're having issues with breakage, shedding, excessive shedding and all that, I recommend this for you. If your hair is so dry, you can use this as a way to moisturize your hair. So in this video, I'm using it as a way to moisturize my hair. Guys, I wanted to show you something on my scalp. So this was my scalp before. I was getting some dandruff, unaware dandruff that came on my scalp. That was like, really, what's going on? But in this video, you can tell that my scalp is really clear. Like, the dandruff was very bad though. I'll just twist my hair in the next 2 or 3 days. I'll see that my hair is so clogged with dandruff, and it was really annoying and it wasn't really a good feeling. So if you have dandruff, please, you have to find a way to treat it. I'll be sharing tips on how I have treated my dandruff till now. I washed my hair. I did this video on Tuesday. I washed my hair on Saturday. Usually my dandruff starts appearing after a day of washing my hair. Like, I'm that serious. If you've had dandruff before, you understand what I'm saying. But this is 3 days and there's nothing on my scalp. And the good news is that I haven't even applied anything on my scalp. I didn't moisturize my hair after washing it. I didn't put any product in it. And dandruff dwells on dry scalp. But then there was no dandruff on my scalp. So I'll do a video soon. Please stay tuned on how I have been managing my dandruff, which is almost looking like I don't have dandruff anymore. So yes, I spray some of the herbs infused spray on my hair. As you can see, this is a strengthening spray. This can be able to give your hair some strength. Our hair goes through a lot. Even apart from you manipulating it, always your hair is in the sun, always your hair is exposed to humidity, dryness, the weather and all that. All these affects the hair, sometimes positively and negatively. So it's important to do something that will shield or protect the hair from any consequences of this exposure. You can also take advantage of this to detangle your hair if your hair is being hasn't been detangled in a while, you can take advantage of this to detangle your hair and moisturize your hair. After I spray in this clove spray, I go in with shea butter. This is our ordinary shea butter that I use, like just our normal Ghana African organic shea butter, but you can use any hair cream or hair butter that you have in order to seal in the moisture. You cannot just spray your hair with this spray and leave it like that. It's going to dry off after a very few seconds. You guys see the length of my hair. In the beginning of the video, I'm sure you saw my hair. It was completely bald. Like, I cut my hair completely bald, and now this is the length I have. It's been 2 freaking good years, and I'm so happy about it. Yes, it's herbs I've been using on my hair. If you've been on the channel, you know that I've been using herbs from day one, and there's no going back. Herbs have helped me with my scalp issues. I used to have serious scalp issues like inflammation. I used to have a bald spot. Herbs have really helped me. So herbs is something that I'm going to use it throughout my journey, like really throughout my journey. Make sure that your shea butter is enough, because if you are not able to moisturize it properly, it's going to dry out like the next day, or even the next 5 minutes is going to dry out. So make sure that your shea butter is enough and it covers everywhere. And also make sure that you spray this on your scalp and your hair strands as well, because hair growth starts from the scalp. So you can use this every day depending on your hair porosity. As I said earlier, using this means you are introducing vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, iron, all these nutrients into the hair, and these nutrients really help to prevent hair loss. Like, after the video, I'll show you the hair that I lost after this detangling, and you'll be like, wow, it's almost like I didn't lose any hair. So cloves and fennel seed is a very good combination for your hair growth. Like, I've loved cloves since day one because they contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that help grow and strengthen the hair. And also, they can be used to protect the scalp from dandruff. So in order to prevent your hair from having dandruff, you can use cloves to prevent the dandruff. So guys, this is my routine of moisturizing my hair. I do this like once a week, and then maybe every other day I spray the spray on my scalp and go in with hair growth oil. I also do well to massage my scalp so that I revive the hair follicles, and that is everything I do to moisturize my hair. Can you see how dense my hair is? Like, I really love this beautiful natural hair journey. So this is what I lost, and I'm sure that you are surprised as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.